Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching. So I want to make this pomegranate smoothie. Now pay attention to the ingredients over there as they are in order because that's going to be important. Alright, so let's get started. We're going to need one cup of pomegranate juice, 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1/2 cup of ice. So I'm going to place all the ingredients into the container there and in the order listed that I have mentioned there. And then we're going to blend it on high until smooth. It's a very simple process like I did with the other smoothies that I made. Okay, all the ingredients are placed into the blender. Now we're going to blend it on high until smooth. Guys, that's the pomegranate smoothie. Now I'm gonna taste it. Wow, that's delicious. Very delicious. Anyway, don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, or share button. So until next time, enjoy, and this is very delicious, it's nutritious, and it's healthy for you. Alright. Ching!